Apple cider vinegar, a pantry staple for generations, is experiencing a resurgence in popularity, and for good reason. This versatile liquid, known for its tangy flavor and potent properties, has been used in various cultures for centuries. This humble ferment, made from crushed apples, is a treasure trove of health benefits, making it a favorite among health enthusiasts and natural remedy seekers alike. Its production process, which involves fermenting the sugars in apples to create acetic acid, is what gives it its distinctive taste and health-boosting properties. From aiding digestion to boosting energy levels, apple cider vinegar has been touted for its potential to improve overall well-being. Many people swear by its ability to help with weight management, reduce blood sugar levels, and even enhance skin health. Unlike many modern health fads that fade as quickly as they rise, apple cider vinegar's enduring appeal lies in its long history of use and a growing body of scientific evidence supporting its benefits. Historical records show that it was used by ancient civilizations for its medicinal properties and as a preservative. This ancient elixir, once a folk remedy passed down through generations, is now finding its place in modern kitchens and wellness routines as people rediscover its remarkable potential. Whether it's added to a salad dressing, mixed into a morning tonic, or used as a natural cleaning agent, its applications are vast and varied. Let's delve into the science-backed benefits of apple cider vinegar and understand why it deserves a place in your daily life. From its antimicrobial properties to its role in heart health, the evidence is compelling and continues to grow. Apple cider vinegar is a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins, minerals, and beneficial acids. This humble liquid has been used for centuries in various cultures for its health-promoting properties. At its heart lies acetic acid, a compound known for its potent antibacterial and antifungal properties. This key ingredient not only helps preserve the vinegar, but also contributes to its health benefits. This makes apple cider vinegar a natural ally in fighting infections and boosting immunity. Regular consumption can help your body ward off common illnesses and maintain a robust immune system. But the benefits don't stop there. Apple cider vinegar is also known for its versatility in promoting overall wellness. Studies suggest that apple cider vinegar can help regulate blood sugar levels, making it a valuable tool for managing diabetes. By improving insulin sensitivity, it can help keep blood sugar spikes in check. It may also aid in weight management by increasing feelings of fullness and reducing overall calorie intake. This can be particularly beneficial for those looking to shed a few pounds or maintain a healthy weight. Furthermore, apple cider vinegar has been linked to improved heart health by potentially lowering cholesterol levels and blood pressure. Incorporating it into your diet could support cardiovascular wellness. Its anti-inflammatory properties may also provide relief from joint pain and stiffness. This makes it a popular choice for those suffering from arthritis or other inflammatory conditions. With such a wide array of potential health benefits, it's no wonder apple cider vinegar is earning its reputation as a natural health superstar. From boosting immunity to aiding in weight loss and improving heart health, this versatile liquid is a valuable addition to any wellness routine. While apple cider vinegar offers a myriad of benefits, timing plays a crucial role in maximizing its effectiveness. Knowing when to take it can make a significant difference in how well it works for you. Many experts recommend consuming apple cider vinegar first thing in the morning. Drinking a tablespoon or two diluted in a glass of water before breakfast can kickstart your metabolism, stabilize blood sugar levels, and promote healthy digestion throughout the day. This morning ritual can set a positive tone for your entire day. Additionally, consuming apple cider vinegar before a meal can help you feel fuller, potentially leading to reduced calorie intake and helping you make healthier food choices. This can be particularly beneficial for those looking to manage their weight effectively. However, it's important to listen to your body and adjust the timing based on your individual needs and preferences. Everyone's body reacts differently, so find what works best for you.